final step is to assemble the piston. In this case, we are dealing with the bore of 50 mm. This will be the same for a bore of 40 to 100 mm. For a bore of 40 up to 100, there are two ways to secure the piston after assembly. Using a crimp ring is preferred. If you have a centering press, you can use the crimp ring. The following step-by-step plan applies to the securing of the crimp ring. Make sure that you only use the metal crimp ring that was delivered as the locking ring. Push the gland over the cylinder rod. Screw the piston onto the shaft journal with the indicated torque stated in Table 3. Use the appropriate tool for this. Place the crimp ring on the indicated groove on the rod. Press the crimp ring through a centering press to the dimension described according to Table 4. If there is no centering press, the piston can be secured with Loctite 603 combined with a clip ring. Make sure to put aluminium plates in the vise to prevent damage to the chrome layer. Clean and degrease the parts to be bonded. Push the head nut over the cylinder rod. Apply a bead of Loctite 603 to the thread of the rod. Screw the piston onto the shaft journal with the indicated torque as mentioned in Table 3. For this video, the piston moment is 80. Use an appropriate tool for this. Push the clip ring radial over the appropriate thread on the rod. Make sure that the clip ring seals well and touches the piston. For a bore of 25, 30 or 32, the following step-by-step plan applies. Push the gland over the cylinder rod. Push the piston onto the shaft journal. Screw the seal lock nut with the indicated torque mentioned in Table 3, making sure that the rod does not get damaged. The last step is fitting the gland. Always grease the contact surfaces of the seals during assembly. Then slide the rod assembly carefully into the tube. Screw the gland down and fasten it with an appropriate hook spanner with the indicated torque as specified in Table 3. For this video, the gland moment is 150. Secure the gland by bending the tube in at least one of the 3 slots of the gland.